Welcome to my channel. At first, I'd like to thank all the persons that subscribe to my channel. Please continue to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So today, I'm going to bake my Christmas cake. Now that we are in the festive season, and today I'm going to bake my Christmas cake, my fruit cake, my Jamaican rum cake. I'm going to bake. Here's my granddaughter, and he's my grandson, and they are going to help me to bake this Christmas cake. Okay, so this is my browning right here, and my vanilla, all the spice, and one essence, and a cinnamon powder, my baking powder to add to my flour, a tip of salt, my eggs, and my sugar, flour, butter, and my fruits. These fruits been soaking almost 1 year. Each time that I bake on Christmas, I add more fruit to this jar, and it's soaked right back until December. Okay, so now I'm going to add my sugar. First thing, I'm going to add my sugar and my butter. And it is finished, and it is very creamy. And I'm going to transfer this mixture to this larger container. So smooth and creamy. I've blended more than half the jar amount of fruits, and I'm going to continue to add my liquid ingredients to my mixture. So this is my fruits that I'm going to add my mixture. Now my grandson is going to add the first cups of flour into the mixture. So you can add it now. What? And next my granddaughter. Okay, so take up that. And to add also. And I'm going to add some more to it. And I'm going to fold it in.
I was going to cover it, like, twist it up, okay?